5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
6 left over crest into long 3 right. And open hairpin left. 36 left over crest, keep in. Straight 50, long 2 right. 30, keep right over crest, and long 3 left. Into 3 right opens. Straight 30, 5 right into long 4 left over crest, keep in. And 6 right into jump 30, hit 3 left over jump, bad camber. 53 right. Into long 3 left, tightens. And 6 right over crest, split. And long 6 right over crest. Into jump 70. Big jump into caution, big jump and 5 left. Into keep left over jump 30, 4 right. And long 6 left, cut. 50 turn, long 4 left. 50 crest and 3 left. And long 5 right and here 6 left, tightens the 3 over jump. 3 outside, split. 6 right into jump 30. 6 right over jump 50. 6 right tightens the 3. And long 5 left tightens into long 3 right. 34 right cut. 70 long 5 left tightens. And crest into clear 5 right. Into long 4 left and clear long 3 right narrows. Into crest and 3 left. And long 3 right tightens, don't cut. And 2 left tightens. Into long 4 right split. And 6 left to the crest 50. Long 3 left. 100 clear 3 right over crest, tightens gravel. Into long 3 left opens. And 6 left and clear long 3 right over bridge. 30 clear 4 left, 3 outside. Into clear crest and long 3 right. Into 3 left, 30, 3 left. 5 left, 50. 6 crest into clear long 3 right narrows, don't cut. Into clear 3 right, don't cut over finish. And long 5 left to stop.